Welcome to myTRIAList. In this trial overview video, we'll be sharing key information you need to start a conversation with your doctor or care provider about the HER2CLIMB-05 clinical trial. The HER2CLIMB-05 trial is a study that is exploring treatments for people living with unresectable, locally advanced, or metastatic HER2-positive breast cancer.
What does HER2 positive mean?
HER2 is a protein that is found in cells, including the cells that make up breast tissue. A normal amount of HER2 is healthy because it helps to control how cells grow, divide, and repair our tissues. However, high levels of HER2 can cause cells to grow out of control, which can lead to cancer. If you have HER2 positive breast cancer, it means that your cancer cells have higher than normal levels of HER2 protein. HER2 positive breast cancer tends to grow and spread faster than other breast cancers and can occur in both men and women.
What does it mean for a cancer to be unresectable, locally advanced, or metastatic?
Unresectable, locally advanced cancers means that they have spread into the nearby tissue around the breast and can't be removed by surgery. Metastatic cancers have spread farther to other parts of the body, such as the liver, brain, or bones.
Now that we understand HER2 positive cancers, tell us about what drug is being studied in the HER2CLIMB-05 study.
Tucatinib has been approved for adult patients with certain types of HER2 positive breast cancer that have grown, spread to other parts of the body, or can't be removed by surgery.
What is the goal of the study?
HER2CLIMB-05 is exploring whether tucatinib can work as a maintenance therapy. Maintenance therapy is a type of ongoing treatment that is given to help stop a cancer from coming back or getting worse after the initial treatment is finished. Tucatinib is an investigational medicine in this clinical research study because it has not yet been approved for use in combination with trastuzumab and pertuzumab and as a first-line maintenance therapy. This clinical research study will help us to understand whether tucatinib plus trastuzumab and pertuzumab may work as a maintenance therapy. The investigational medicine will be given to people who are already receiving treatment with trastuzumab and pertuzumab, which are approved drugs that are often used to treat HER2-positive breast cancer. Everyone taking part in the trial will continue receiving maintenance treatment with trastuzumab and pertuzumab once every 3 weeks. Participants will be randomly assigned to receive either the investigational medicine, tucatinib, or a placebo, which is a tablet that looks exactly like the study drug, but with no active medicine. They'll take this tablet by mouth twice a day, every day, as long as they participate in the study. How long people take part in the study depends on how their cancer responds to the treatment. If the cancer stays the same or gets better, they can keep taking the study medicines until the study closes, with the advice of their doctor. Participants can also stop taking part in the study at any time simply by telling their study doctor. This won't affect their regular medical care.
How will the investigators know if the investigational medicine is working?
Throughout the clinical trial, people who are in the trial will have regular reviews by their care team to find out how well the investigational study drug works at helping to stop the cancer from getting worse and if it improves the quality of life for those taking part. They may be asked to answer questions about themselves, their health, and their day-to-day activities. They may also undergo physical exams, give blood samples, or have non-invasive scans. People who can become pregnant may be asked to take a pregnancy test.
Who can take part in this study?
People living with unresectable, locally advanced, or metastatic HER2 positive breast cancer may be able to take part in the study if they are 18 years or older. They must have received treatment or be about to start treatment with trastuzumab, pertuzumab, and chemotherapy. HER2 positive breast cancers have a higher risk of spreading to the brain, and people with cancers that have spread to the brain may still be able to take part in this clinical research study if the cancer is stable and not causing symptoms. Please note that this is not a complete list of criteria. If you or someone you know is interested in taking part in the study, They will need to answer some additional health related questions and have some medical tests to confirm that they can participate. We encourage you to visit www.clinicaltrials.gov or www.HER2CLIMB-05.com for additional information on patient criteria specific to this trial. Clinical studies can help find new treatments when patients, doctors, and caregivers seek answers and stand together. Dr. Radula George is an investigator on the HER2CLIMB-05 trial and wanted to share her excitement and hopes for the outcomes of this clinical study.
Hi, I'm Radula George. I'm one of the breast medical oncologists. I'm very excited to be part of this pivotal trial, HER2CLIMB-05, which will evaluate the addition of tucatinib to maintenance therapy of trastuzumab and pertuzumab for patients with HER2-positive breast cancer. A current standard of care is maintenance therapy with trastuzumab and pertuzumab. This study will evaluate if the addition of tucatinib will prolong the time before the patient's cancer gets worse. The study will also look at the impact of tucatinib on the patient's quality of life. An important aspect of this study is that the study includes patients with brain metastases. And the study will help us understand the impact of maintenance therapy with or without tucatinib on treatment response in patients with brain metastases. HER2CLIMB-05 will also help improve our understanding if receiving tucatinib during maintenance therapy can delay or prevent brain metastases from getting worse.
Interested in comparing your clinical trial options? Check out the myTRIAList trial finder to find out more information by visiting www.mytrialist.org.